How to earn money with Google. Make money online now. Have you ever found yourself aimlessly scrolling through your Google feed, wondering how tech giants like Google have amassed billions in revenue? What if I told you that the search engine giant, Google, is not only making money for itself, but it's also creating abundant opportunities for people like you and me to earn a living online? Yes, the doors of financial freedom are only a click away. You don't even need to invest $1 to unlock. Welcome to the eye-opening universe of making money online with Google, and all for free. In this comprehensive guide, we will introduce you to 5 Google-centric opportunities that can help you build a solid income stream. That said, let's dive right in. Google AdSense, turning your website into a money-making machine. Our first stop on this journey is Google AdSense, a platform often overlooked. Not to be confused with the YouTube AdSense, Google AdSense can turn your website, blog, or online content into a passive income generator. This program allows you to display targeted ads on your site and earn money when visitors interact with them, be it a view or any other form of interaction. For instance, if your website focuses on a niche like personal finance, Google AdSense can pay you around $1,278 per year for 50,000 views per month. That's about $1.67 per month for every 50,000 views, with a rate of $0.32 per view. With a potential for 10,000 views in a single day, at that rate, you could earn about $9,600 per month. Imagine making money while you sleep or engage in other activities. To get started, all you need is a website with some traffic, and the key to success is quality content that keeps viewers coming back for more. Lindsay Ostrom, the creator of the food blog Pinch of Yum, is a shining example of how Google AdSense can lead to a maximum success by monetizing your website's viewers. Google Opinion Rewards. Quick money with surveys. Moving on, we have Google Opinion Rewards, an excellent way to make quick money by taking surveys. These surveys typically pay about $1 each and don't require much time. While $1 might not seem like a lot, it adds up quickly. The convenience factor is a bonus. There's a dedicated app, Google Opinion Rewards, that allows you to take surveys from your phone, computer, or tablet. Your earnings can be in the form of Google Play credits or cash through PayPal. To succeed in this venture, answer surveys honestly and complete them as soon as they become available, as there's going to be competition for these opportunities. Google Summer of Code, paid coding opportunities for students. Here's a relatively lesser-known opportunity, Google Summer of Code. It's designed for students interested in open-source projects. Participants receive a stipend, and the program typically runs for about 3 months, making it ideal for students. To qualify, you need to be enrolled in a higher education institution and possess coding skills. The benefits are significant. You get to work on impactful projects, build your coding portfolio, and potentially secure future opportunities in the tech industry. Having Google in your resume is also a valuable advantage. Success in this program involves choosing projects aligned with your skills and interests, meeting deadlines, and maintaining high-quality work. Many participants have gone on to receive job offers or internships in the tech sector. Google Playbook Publishing. Self-publish and reach a global audience. Next up is Google Playbook Publishing, offering you the chance to publish and sell your own books or ebooks on a platform with a global reach. Quality content and adherence to Google Playbook guidelines are key to success. Creating a valuable ebook requires research and understanding what readers are looking for. After publishing, marketing your work through social media or targeted advertising is crucial. Your earnings will be in the form of royalties based on sales. Prominent authors like Yu Howie and J.A. Conrad have achieved significant income through self-publishing, including Google Play Books. YouTube Content Creation Services turn creativity into cash. Finally, let's explore YouTube Content Creation Services, where you can monetize your creativity whether or not you're in front of the camera. There are various ways to contribute, such as video editing or creating thumbnails. Creating valuable content is the key to success. Whether you're a graphics designer, editor, or content creator, you don't need formal training but should hone your skills. Even creating faceless YouTube videos using B-roll footage or stock images with a voiceover can be profitable. Leveraging YouTube offers flexibility, a growing demand for content-related skills, and incredible income potential. I've personally earned substantial income from YouTube through video views and monetization. For success, maintain consistency, provide quality work, network with YouTubers, and advertise your skills on social media. These 5 Google-centric opportunities open doors to financial freedom and income streams. Whether you're looking for a full-time job, a side hustle, or passive income, Google offers a wide range of opportunities for almost anyone to earn money online. So don't miss out. Capitalize on these opportunities and take the first steps towards financial freedom. And if you want even more expert insights and guidance on how to maximize your profitability, consider subscribing to Profitability Plus today. We're here to help you achieve your financial goals and unlock your full earning potential. Subscribe now and let's embark on this journey to financial success together. And that wraps up our comprehensive guide to making money with Google. We hope this information has been valuable and instructive. Remember, the potential for financial success is just a click away. Until next time, take care and explore these opportunities to secure your financial future.